Now we have the first of our non-parametric test, starting with Mann-Whitney U-test, which is the equivalent of your t-test for independent samples. So the assumptions are the dependent variable should be measured at the ordinal or ratio level because this is non-parametric. The independent variable should consist of two categorical independent groups. There should be independence of observations and that the two independent groups are not normally distributed. Okay, so that's the assumptions. For example, samples of starting annual salaries for individuals entering the public accounting and financial planning professions. Monthly salaries are shown in 1,000 pesos. Use an alpha equals 0.05 level of significance and test the hypothesis that there is no difference between the starting annual salaries of public accountants and financial planners. So this is now our data set. So this is your public accountants and this is your financial planners. And so we'll add another column here. And then I'll label this one as 1 for your public accountant and 2 for your financial planners. Okay? Then you go to your SPSS. Let's start. So, position. Oops, sorry. Or profession if you want. And then salary. So this one is 0, 0, but this one is 1. Or you can actually have 2, so that's also fine. And then because there was a decimal value in the given data. And then for the label, we can have 1 as your public accountant, and financial planner. Okay. Then you get to your data set, and then you copy this one. And then you paste it here in your position and salary. Okay, so public accountant and financial planner, and then you have 2 decimal places here indicated, diba? So this different compared to the previous examples. And since this is Mann-Whitney, so that's analyze, and this is non-parametric, and then go to, just click independent samples, okay? Scan data, fields, salary for your test field, position is groups, okay? And you can just actually click run because for that parametric test, that's actually, you actually identify if the data is for Mann-Whitney or for Kruskal-Wallis, okay? So just click run. Okay, so this is now the result. Reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so since it's reject the null hypothesis with sig level at 0.015, meaning there is significant difference in the distribution of salary between your public accountant and your financial planner. Okay, with many public accountants having a higher salary compared to your financial planners because this is higher here, 60. The mean rank equals 13.65 and mean rank is 7.35. So this is a this is a higher mean rank. You're arranging your values from lowest salary to highest salary. So there is significant difference between the starting annual salaries of public accountants and financial planners in favor of public accountants.